the Election Commission of India has issued a notice to BJT Chief Naveen Patnaik. So trouble mounts for BJT Chief Naveen Patnaik. This is Naveen on notice. It's a massive Times Now impact. This is the notice that I hold in my hand, and in this notice the Election Commission of India has sought an explanation from BJD Chief and Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, to explain why his poll expenditure that has been filed with the Election Commission does not match with the expenditure that has been shown by the party, the Biju Janata Dal. That is the complaint that has been filed in the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India had directed the Election Commission to look into this entire matter, and the Election Commission of India has now actually sent this notice to Naveen Patnaik. Naveen Patnaik, in case of Naveen Patnaik, the amount given by the party as per party expenditure statement is not matching with the amount declared by the candidate in the abstract statement as the net receipt by Shri Naveen Patnaik from the party as per party expenditure. So Naveen Patnaik has shown 13 lakhs as the sum that he has spent from the party, and it is only 10 lakhs that the party has shown as money that has been given to Naveen Patnaik. How could Naveen Patnaik spend 13 lakhs, over 13 lakh rupees, when the party had given him only 10 lakh rupees? Also, the question is the same RTGS check that has been given by Naveen Patnaik features with two of the MLAs of the Biju Janata Dal. One MLA is, of course, Naveen Patnaik. The second MLA is another petitioner who has got it, that is Ramchandra Hansha, who has also got the same RTGS check, and that's why the query has now been sent Naveen Patnaik on notice from the Election Commission of India, and this is the notice that has gone out from the Election Commission of India, saying that the expenditure that has been given by Naveen Patnaik in the expenditure statement that has been filed by Naveen Patnaik to the Election Commission of India does not match with the Biju Janata Dal's election statement. This is the notice that has gone out to Naveen Patnaik. So huge breaking news coming in. The Election Commission has put Naveen Patnaik on notice. Bhavtosh Singh joins me on this story. Bhavtosh Singh was in Bhubaneswar 3 months ago when we first broke this story. Bhavtosh, this story has seen several twists and turns, and the Biju Janata Dal had even accused the Times Now reporting team of twisting facts. Now, not only is the matter in Supreme Court, the Election Commission has also sent out a notice to Naveen Patnaik to explain how the same RTGS check number appears for two MLAs in Biju Janata Dal, and why does the check payment by the party, the Biju Janata Dal, to Naveen Patnaik does not match with the statement that Naveen Patnaik has filed with the Election Commission?
Yes, a massive Times Now impact. In fact, when we first aired this story, Biju Janata Dal said that they will file a defamation case against us, but it was an investigative report based on checking each and every check that was submitted to the Election Commission of India as a part of their expenditure for the general election as well as for the state election of 2014. Not only Naveen Patnaik, but several MLAs who submitted and also MPs who submitted their expenditure did not match with the money that was given by the party. In one particular case, as in case of Naveen Patnaik, two MLAs, one Naveen Patnaik, another one submitted the same check number. In one case, the account number was same, and all the payments were made from the State Bank of India, Bhubaneswar main branch. Interestingly, one of the main persons who made the donation to the party just before the 2014 election is someone who worked as a peon in the office of Biju Janata Dal. He was initially a person of below poverty line, but when we exposed the scam, his name was removed from the list, and he was the one who made at least 31 lakh rupees of donation to the party. We managed to track him down in a village which was some 200 kilometers from the state capital. He denied all the charges but admitted that he was working in the office of Naveen Patnaik. Interestingly, some of the MLAs claim that they have no idea as to who filed their expenditure form. In some cases, they completely spin ignorance and say that this happened in 2014 and they have no idea. In one particular case, the MLA admitted that he received money, but that money that he received did not match with the expenditure that was submitted by the party to the Election Commission of India. Clearly a very massive, big time now impact, because the party had threatened that they will file a defamation against us, accuse us of airing a story which did not have enough evidence. But the fact is that it was done through intensive ground reporting, and it clearly shows that Naveen Patnaik and the party was at fault.
Bhavtosh, stay with me. Let's go through this notice that has been sent by the Election Commission. This notice that I have in my hand, this notice says, as per the DEO, which is the Director Expenditure Officers, scrutiny report of the District Election Officers, which says Odisha, they are agreed with the correctness of the election expenditure of the candidates. It is suggested that a clarification from the party, that is the Biju Janata Dal, as well as from Shri Naveen Patnaik and Shri Ramachandra Hansa, the contesting and return candidates from 131 Himjali of Odisha and also from Mayurbhanj Lok Sabha, should be called for simultaneously in the above two issues. So the fact that the expenditure given by Naveen Patnaik does not tally with the expenditure filed by the party, and there are discrepancies between these two expenditures that have been filed, is something that the Election Commission has found fault with, and now a notice has gone out from the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India